Hey, good evening everyone. I'm just out for a little walk tonight. Not too long. I just had accidentally changed my GoPro settings. I didn't like it, so I wanted to test out the new settings and see if this one is a little bit more better, I guess. It's all in one's opinion on how they like their settings, because I swear I think I saw maybe hundreds of different settings on how to set up your GoPro. Most of the nice clothing you see is all fake. It's not genuine. So just know that when you're buying name brand clothing out in town, it's gonna be fake. I mean, it might be still good quality, but it's gonna be fake. But yeah, it's a nice night tonight. It's not too bad outside. You'd be surprised, but after you're here long enough, you actually get used to the weather, if that's possible. But yeah, you get used to it. You just have to make sure you stay hydrated. That's the main thing. Staying hydrated. Lots of different businesses. Lots of different clothing shops, electronic stores of the sorts. It's good to see things getting back to normal. All this stuff is like a ghost town. Oh man, that's not good. I didn't want to get hit. Don't worry, my daughter. I'm not gonna get hit. I'll have to get them a nice fake handbag, just because I don't have the money to afford a real one. Anyways, I mean, who needs real when, you know, a fake handbag can be just as good, right? It's funny, I've often seen fake handbags that no one can tell they're fake. The quality is so good. So why bother wasting your money? Somebody once told, actually I saw it on the internet, somebody once said that name brand clothing is for poor people. I don't know, but I'm not a big name brand clothing guy, but I'm not rich either. I guess I just don't see the value in wearing name brand clothing. I'm happy with basic stuff. Yeah. What? Okay, I'm back. I have no idea what that was. I might have been something legit. I think he was trying to sell me something, but at first I thought something was wrong. Maybe I got hit in the head or something. Anyways, who cares? Oh, the kitty cats. Don't run out on the road, cat. Here's some gold. Some nice gold. Beautiful gold. I like it. Hi. 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 Where's a puppy dog? You got to be careful if you have animals out here. Right now the ground's not hot, so you know, you just got to watch their paws. So when the ground gets really hot, my suggestion, personally, I don't have any pets, but if it's too hot for you to walk on it barefoot, then I probably wouldn't let my animals walk on it barefoot. I know they have toughened skin and stuff like that, but it's just a good rule of thumb. Again, no expert, so you know, just be mindful, I guess. Anyways, it's a really cool backpacks. Again, they're fake, but still stylish, I guess. But me personally, I wouldn't travel with a fancy backpack because it's just asking to get taken. I mean, heck, if I had it my way, I'd travel with a garbage bag, like a hefty duty one that's not gonna rip easy. Put my stuff in there. Who's gonna steal a garbage bag if they don't throw it away first? But anyways, but yeah, watches are a big thing. People love their watches. Lots of gold shops in this area. Really gotta admire the handiwork, the craftsmanship of the people who make gold around here. Pretty cool. I'm sure it's very pricey. I can't afford it. It's nice to look at. All this. Yeah, very amazing. Most of the jewelry, the gold, you can bargain with to a point, I guess. Okay, I don't know what happened. My camera decided, I said I had a SD card malfunction. Sometimes these devices can be finicky. I could have overheated, I don't know. So you get this, does get hot. Yeah, the amount of tailors around here are just amazing. Usually you can have a shirt made for, you know, handcrafted shirt made for cheaper than you would buy a name brand shirt, and you're getting high quality fabric and everything. That's pretty cool. I want to go on a backpacking trip with my son. Some cool backpacks. Don't know. Say 21 BD, which is not a bad price, but I guess you have to be careful on the kind of backpack you get. You don't want to get one that's too cheap. I'm checking your backpacks. That's definitely nice. So maybe someday we'll go hiking the Appalachian Trail, all of it, which would take several months. Or we can just do a portion of it. I don't know what kind of hikes you guys have went on, but if there's a hike that stands out, let me know. Suggestions. Whoa, these are all dresses or scarves?
These are dresses. Indian dresses, Indian dress and saris and yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, yep.
And you want shirt material have inside. Shirts and first shirt and pants for suit.
Oh, not tonight.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye bye.
I think that's for ladies only. I mean, they're not gonna look favorable on me in there. But oh, back to backpacking, hiking, or whatever. One of the funnest hikes I've ever done was a hike to the Grand Canyon. Had a friend who lived up there and worked actually in the Grand Canyon, and we hiked to the bottom and back up in one day, which was extremely difficult. But if you're in decent enough shape, it can be done. There are warnings saying if you have to get rescued, you get fined. So you're gonna pay a price if you have to get rescued. But there are camping places to go. But like I said, if you're in relatively decent shape, you can hike it in one day. Going down was a fun part. coming up was very hard. And I did it around Thanksgiving, so the weather wasn't too bad. Here's a open air fish market. So definitely, if you're in the market for fresh fish, this is you want to come here and grab your fish. You're definitely going to get a better price. Fish, crab, about anything, you're going to get better than if you go to the store. It's funny, I don't know why. This is a pretty cool little shop. You got street access to everything. Lots of walkers coming and going. Oh man, oh, that chicken does smell good. Hi.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How you doing? Good.
You vlogger?
Good. Yeah. Thank you. But if you guys have ever get a chance to go to the Grand Canyon, try and hike the bottom if you're in good shape. They do have rides. You can take a camel down. Just make sure you're within weight standards, I guess. It's possible to go down and up in one day. It was a good trip. Anyway, it's funny, when we started getting closer to the top, it started sprinkling or raining, and then when we got to the top, it was snowing. So because of the elevation, you go so far down and go so high up that the rain had turned to snow. And it wasn't that bad. We were able to get out, get back, get some, I think we had pizza that night. Really hungry. Well, I think I've made a nice little walk for now, and I've tried out the new settings. I'll have to download everything, upload it, and see how it turns out. But I appreciate you guys going on this little walk with me tonight. It was fun. I enjoyed it. Be safe. Take care. This is life as I view it. Have a nice night.